from ATM. I would like to ask, what kind of music do you still want to explore that you haven't done yet?
Ako, medyo a little bit of funk. F-U-N-K. Funky music. I wanna try that.
Wala akong maano kasi ngayon sa panahon ngayon parang wala nang ang lawak na ng genre. I think mag-lean towards folk and mixan ko ng something na modern. Folk,
Modern folk.
modern
Motor
folk.
with a W.
That's all, folks.
Ayos.
Follow-up question lang po. Now, what is your current favorite OPM song?
Current favorite OPM song. So many. Current favorite OPM
Hindi mahirap yun ang
song.
question,
Yeah.
Okay. Pagsamo na lang yan, Arthur. Yun na lang yan. Yeah.
Parang pareho tayo. Pagsamo also. That's also a very good choice. Very good choice.
Thank you.
Thank you.